snow cracks beneath my feet, and I feel every wrong I ever inflicted. Sweet scented smoke fills my lungs, and all I taste is what you could have meant to me. If not for growing up or moving on, or oceans I can't cross, I'll take pen and paper, stroke these metal strings to express my hopes, my dreams, my loss. I wish I had an affinity for photographs, or how they look in black and white, stuck to my wall. Fictional storyboard of memories and happy times might pull me out of drowning pools in my head. And I am waking up and changing, I am constantly in flux. One moment happy to be me, the next just praying to be us. And the pavement underneath me shines like glitter on the page of homemade Christmas cards from much loved friends. Your star begins to rise, will rise up to the surface, but don't climb up too high, 'cause I like you falling. Frozen snow has turned to ice, it catches me off guard and I am slipping. Past darkened windows and empty cars with just my shadow for company.